Hello and welcome. In this video, we feature the Tipaminka Country Comfy Cabin made from a single shipping container located in the New South Wales, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container cabin. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This is a unique and stunning cabin made from a single 40-foot shipping container. The container sits on a pier foundation to elevate the module off the ground away from moisture. The elevated height is an ideal position for creating an outdoor deck to enjoy the vantage views of the green surroundings. The floor-to-ceiling windows and doors make the most of the stunning views and lets the light to flood into the bright interior space of the cabin. There is a small kitchen equipped with all kitchen appliances required to make the space functional. In addition, the kitchen has overhead and under-the-counter kitchen storage cabinets plus open storage. The kitchen backsplash is finished in a stylish textured tile to tie up the entire space into a unit hall. Next to the kitchen is a cozy breakfast area that can comfortably sit four. The dining table can also be used as a workspace when need arises. The cozy living room features a comfortable sofa, a beautiful floor rug, a well-arranged cubicle cabinet, and lively potted plants which set a welcoming tone in the living room. The interior space is painted light to make the space appear bigger and brighter, eliminating that confinement feel synonymous with shipping container space. Past the kitchen is the single bedroom, which has a single bed, a working area, and a storage cubicle. Past the dining area is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed and a huge window to enjoy the view while you enjoy the comfort of the bed, creating a bright and spacious bedroom to wake up from every morning. The bathroom has everything you need, including a gorgeous wash and basin and a wall-mounted mirror. There is a second single bedroom which is across the center deck area of the cabin. It is fitted with a private lounge area and a working space. The comfortable couch in the private lounge can also be transformed into a single bed for additional sleeping space. Pieces of artwork and accessories adorn the space, adding a touch of personality to the entire cabin. The front deck is a lovely sunny sitting area during winter. The amazing outdoor living space offers additional entertainment options, making the cabin functional throughout the year. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a bright red color, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. The house is covered with an additional roof elevated above the shipping container to shield it from harsh weather elements. There is also an option to use canvas fabric to cut off any solar radiation cutting through to the open deck on the front of the house. Apart from the shipping container, the cabin embraces other industrial materials like corrugated steel siding to bring out the industrial aesthetic of the cabin. This beautiful cabin is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $111 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this cabin appeals to the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.